and welcome to this week's episode of Litigation. So today I am so happy and excited to share with you my experience climbing my local mountain and just some footage I took on there because it's such a beautiful place and it's so calming and relaxing, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. And let's try and get this video to 10 likes, and if you do, I will do another nature video for you guys where I do also like a music montage. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, subscribe to get notified every time I post. Now on to the beautiful scenery. Look over. Thousands of years ago, this whole mountain used to be underwater, so this is some water erosion signs. Here are the mountain dussies of South Africa. They're little balls of cuteness that live on mountains, and they hide in the rocks, and they're so sweet. Those seals are Cape fur seals, and unfortunately, yes, they were used for fur, but now that's illegal in our area. Yay! Okay guys, so we came all the way from there, around the whole mountain, and back here. So now we're off, and it's taken us like 3 hours. It's been long and fun and beautiful. Let's see if I can get a little shot of the beach for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you on Saturday. Live life, love life, and have a great week. Bye!